subscribe be Nosy and turn on the notification bell to receive the updates of amazing videos.
Hi, hello and welcome you all, and today's topic is going to be about the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity. So let's see about it. And I'm Anavish Ibrahim and you're watching Be Nosy. The Statue of Unity of Sardar Vallabhai Patel. Who is he? In simple words, he is the first Deputy Prime Minister of India and is also a nationalist who is known as the Iron Man of India. The 184-meter tall statue of Sardar Vallabhai Patel standing is called the Statue of Unity, and which is going to be the world's tallest statue from the reopening. Its construction have almost been done. This project of building the world's tallest statue was laid 5 years ago. The foundation stone was laid by the Gujarat Chief Minister and Prime Minister of India, and now is going to be inaugurated in the next month, that's October 31st of 2018 by Narendra Modi on the occasion of 143rd birthday of Sardar Vallabhai Patel. From then, it's going to be the world's tallest statue from all its competitors. This was a 2,980 crore project which gives a tribute to the man who struggled a lot and to make the India a unity one. Do you know this tallest statue is twice as high of Statue of Liberty, that's 184 feet tall, and is somehow 200 km from the main city of Ahmedabad is located. This Statue of Unity project also includes a museum and an audio-visual department near it, which depicts the life and history and times of Sardar Vallabhai Patel and the struggle he made to India. I think it's generally cool and interesting. So if you have a chance, don't forget to visit this statue because it's going to really wonder you. And don't forget to subscribe Nosy and turn on the notification bell to receive the updates of curious videos. So see you all soon in the next amazing and interesting one. Until then, be curious.